Do you ever feel like, in spite of your intentions, you don't follow through on your goals?
Like you are giving your time out to all the to-dos and other people instead of yourself?
What about reading all the wellness articles and blogs online, identifying with them, but not taking any action?
We felt the exact same way, and we are here to share the practices that save us from the dark side with this 21-day challenge.
You will learn and practice 4 spot-on morning habits that will awaken your desire to take action daily, to be the best version of you every single day. We are here to guide you, to answer any questions, and support you in the process, which you will quickly realize is so enjoyable. Being healthy is meant to be fun and exciting. By the end of the challenge, you will have an effective morning routine that will prime your day to live positively from the inside out, empowering you with superhuman virtues.
We will take action together on these 4 practices based on Ayurveda.
To start, you already have everything you need at home. Cool, huh? We know you're thinking, okay, so now what? How? When? Don't worry. Right after you join, we will reach out and take you on this journey. You'll be able to explain and teach anyone around how to do these practices. You will reach the 21 days knowing that you're capable of taking control of your well-being through daily, simple actions. To get more in-depth nuggets of wisdom and guidance, sign up, and we will take you through the challenge ourselves.
Join us!
We can't wait to hear from you.